Says though 3 bulls came to the forest and the lion is trying to hunt one of them.
This is my chance. I will take it and eat him.
Help me! Help me!
What happened to you, king of the forest?
Get away from me, you little clown, or I will smash your face.
You think that you're better than me? Huh! Go be better than one of the bulls that hurt you.
The secret behind the power of the 3 bulls that they are always stick together everywhere.
There must be a way to eat one of them. Yeah, this hunter came in time.
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink. Come back quickly or the lion will divorce you.
Did you see that bull? I saved you from dying.
I can't believe this. You are our enemy and always trying to kill us. Then why did this?
I've decided to be your friend and never hunt you again. So, do you accept to be my friend?
I don't know. I have to ask my friends first, then I will answer you. Sure, that's a trick. Don't be thinking in a bad way. He saved me from the hunter. Okay, let's go to see him.
Hi, how are you? Do you agree me as a friend?
Yes, definitely. We agreed.
Okay, now run freely wherever you want in the forest. I'm your friend that will protect you.
The lion is a friend with the 3 bulls? Do you believe that?
Even though I'm a donkey, but I think the lion is hiding the predator's side.
I don't know how an enemy can turn into a friend that short period of time.
And here, the lion started his plan. When he noticed that the white bull is far from his friends.
Good morning. Where is your white friend?
He is over there eating the grass. Is he in danger?
No, the danger is on you, not him.
What do you mean?
I mean that the white color reflects light more than any color. And I see that you have to get rid of him. Then you will be safe.
What are you saying? Are you crazy?
Calm down. Calm down. It's just an advice. You rather take it or leave it.
I need time to think. There is no time to think. The hunter danger comes suddenly without realizing.
What do we do then?
We won't do anything. Our friend Lion will deal with it. Help me! Help me!
No one will help you. We teamed up on you.
I'm down to my last breath.
The 2 bulls abandoned the white bull, and he got eaten by the lion.
Even though I'm a donkey, but I expected this.
And all of this is because of the selfishness and dumbness.
Good morning, my friend. Where is your black friend?
He's eating the grass in a close place.
Didn't you notice, my friend, that he's eating the grass voraciously?
And what about that?
Didn't you know that the dry season is coming after a short period of time?
What do we do now?
Listen, if we get rid of the black bull, I will share with you half of this forest. You will be a king on your side, and I will be a king on my half.
Me as a
You
king?
deserve this because you're strong and brave. What do you think?
He's over there. Do whatever you want with him.
I was sure you were going to understand.
Help me! My friend!
No one is going to help you. We teamed up on you.
I'm dead.
Now the Red Bull is alone.
Do you think the lion will eat him like how he ate his two friends?
Even though I'm a donkey, but I'm sure that his turn came and he's in a big danger. Good morning, my friend. Do you know that your black bull's friend's meat was more delicious than your white friend? And I wonder what your meat tastes like.
What are you saying? Are you planning on eating me too?
No, I'm not planning, my friend. I already ate you.
Where do I go? Where do I go?
There is nowhere to go, my delicious friend.
I was already eaten the day that the white bull was eaten.